Hey guys, I'm Mark, one of the core team at Doge, and today I'm doing a how-to video on how to set up a Metamask wallet, which is downloading it from the Google Chrome store and setting it up, going through the whole process to make it as seamless as possible so you guys can get out there, purchase, be a complete degen and get involved in all these tokens which aren't available on centralized exchanges. So first up, we need to go to chrome.google.com/webstore, and that brings up basically the Play Store but on the PC. And then in here you just need to search Metamask. So sometimes there are some dodgy apps which aren't genuine, but in this case it's verified, it's the correct website, it's got 2,600 plus reviews. You click on it, it's got 10 million plus users, so we know it's correct. Click add to Chrome, add the extension, that'll bang it up here at the top. Just wait for that to happen, and now it's loading, so click get started. So if you've already got a MetaMask wallet, then this is where you can put the seed phrase in, the recovery phrase, and it'll import it back. But for all you guys that are new, let's get set up. So you create a wallet. Now you can either you can share data with MetaMask or not. I prefer not to. And here you create a unique password. Once you've done that, you click I have read and agreed to the terms, which you're welcome to read. Then you create. Now the wallet's actually being created. Now ideally you want to watch the video. I mean, you can watch it at your own leisure, so once you go through the process, just click on that and let it play, and then you'll get a better understanding. But for this, I'm just going to skip through it. And then this is where you reveal the secret words. So what you want to do is make a note of these, write them down. Now you've wrote them down, click next, and then you've got to go through and put them in order that you've wrote them down to make sure. So it was spice, alert, dumb, artifact, galaxy, black, weather, traffic, gesture, retreat, tower, grape. Then we click confirm, and that's it, all done. And now you've got your MetaMask wallet, it's up there. So 1 second. So one thing you've got to do to make sure you can see it is go up top, you'll see this little jigsaw, click on there where it says MetaMask, click the pin, and that's popped up there so you can actually see the wallet. And currently it's set up by default to Ethereum, but if you want to use a different blockchain, so if you're purchasing a token on, say, Binance or Polygon or Avalanche, then your token won't show up because you've not downloaded the correct settings for the network. So now I'm going to just jump on and I'm going to set up the Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to add the network. So here it's asking for the network name, the RPCO, chain ID, currency symbol, and the block explorer URL. So I'm just going to show you how you guys find these so you can input the data. So to make sure you're 100% connecting to the right network, put in Google Metamask BSC network. Once you've put that in, you'll be brought up with a few different tabs. One of them, which I prefer to use, is metamask.zendesk.com. And here you've got the network name, which is BNB Smart Chain, token BNB, bsc-dataseed.binance.org, chain ID 56, BSC scan binance.org. Now to confirm it, go over to, you can click on the other link which will pop up immediately, which is academy.binance.com, and you can see a smart chain bsc-dataseed.binance 56 BNB BSC scan. So exactly the same data. So what you want to do is copy and paste this into the MetaMask into here, and then click save, which I'm just going to do that right now. So once we've copied all that data in, click save, and now you've immediately got BNB network up here. So when you click it, you've got Ethereum and BNB. Now bear in mind the wallet, because you've only got one account so far, the wallet doesn't change. So it starts at 0xBE, and if you go up here and change it back to Ethereum, the wallet's exactly the same. So you can have Ethereum, you can have BNB, you can have Polygon, AVAX, you can have any blockchain in the same wallet. The only thing you've got to be wary of is when you connect your Metamask wallet, if you're looking for a coin on the Binance Smart Chain, when you first connect Metamask, by default it'll be Ethereum, so that nothing will actually show. So you've got to make sure you click on this, put it down to the network that you want to be on, the blockchain. In our case it's BSC, and the tokens that you've got should appear here, because generally speaking you add them when you do the transaction. You can add the token and it'll add it. If you've not added it, you can actually import it from the contract address. So I'm just going to show you an example of that right now. So I'm going to head over to the Son of Doge website, which is sonofdoge.website. Scroll down to the bottom, and as you get down here, you'll see what is the contract address. There it is. Copy that, come back to Metamask, import token, and then paste it in, and it'll bring up the symbol SOD, add the custom token, and that is now imported. So once you've purchased Son of Doge tokens, then they will appear in your Metamask wallet here, and it's that simple, guys. That's how straightforward it is. Now if you want to know how to purchase crypto, if you watched the previous video that I've done, it's how to purchase directly from your bank account and send it to a wallet. That'll show you the process. It's very simple, very straightforward, and by the end of that video, you're putting your wallet address in and it's sending coins to the wallet. And once you've done that and you've give this wallet address here, your wallet address, your coins will appear here. Now bear in mind, one thing that you've got to do, you've always got to have some of the native token in the wallet. So if you want to do transactions on the Binance network, BNB, you've got to have a small amount of BNB. And it's the same if you want to transact on Ethereum. You've got to have a small amount of Ethereum to purchase tokens from the Ethereum network. And the reason for that is there's gas fees. So for the transactions to complete, you've got to pay a small amount of gas to push that transaction through. Now BNB is relatively cheap. Ethereum is a little bit expensive at times. But yeah, make sure you always have a small amount of BNB. Now, right now, I mean, generally speaking, you probably only need a few dollars of BNB to get you going. But you don't want to run out, because if you've got zero BNB in your MetaMask wallet, you can't do any transactions. Now you can send tokens to your wallet from another wallet, or from an exchange, or from your bank account using the examples that I give in the previous video. That's not a problem. You can do that, but unless you've got BNB in that account, you can't do anything with it. You can't send that anywhere else. So first and foremost, you need to make sure you've got some BNB in your account. And if you do decide to purchase anything like Son of Doge, for instance, don't use the entire amount. Keep a little bit back, so then you can do future transactions. So I hope this video helped, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.